At Dahra, our strategy core is to be a leader in innovative food solutions across the globe, partnering with stakeholders for sustainable agriculture and optimized supply chains, following our values of integrity, transparency, service excellence, and social responsibility. We are now a prominent multinational leader in agribusiness, specializing in the cultivation, production, trading of animal feed and essential food commodities, and end-to-end supply chain management. Our achievements and legacy throughout the world are the best representative to us. During 2021, Dahra achieved unprecedented growth and results across volumes and profitability despite all the challenges and disruptions in the global supply chains. Dahra UAE Global Operations completed Project Sprout, which will bring an innovative go-to-market approach into the forage industry, now having Dahra's global forage and feed product portfolio available in a one-stop shop for our customers across the world. Started operations out of a new port in Sudan to support sourcing key forage products from key locations in the region. Expanded Dahra's forage sourcing network to cover new territory, including Estonia and Lithuania, to serve markets in the Middle East and the Far East. Food Crowd established several partnerships for Food Crowd with key companies in the UAE, such as Fab, Etihad, Emirates, Salal, Rockbank, AD Ports, DP World, and AD Investment. UAE Rice Mill implemented robotic technology on the rice mill shop floor, bringing automation to the processes and strengthening food safety measurements. Dahra Dairy. In Dahra Dairy for 2021, more than 14 million liters of milk produced, with approximately 1,400 milking cows and an average of 33 liters produced daily. In addition, investments for modern climate system to maintain herd health and increase milk efficiency in summer months. Dahra Egypt started exporting potatoes from Egypt to UAE, Russia, and Romania as well. Introduced onions as a new crop, achieved an increase of 27% compared to 2020 as EBITDA. We've produced a volume of milliwatt hours 36,000 of water and energy consumption. Dahra Morocco, the first Dahra business unit to achieve carbon neutrality thanks to its regenerative soil practices and business model. Implemented a strategy of no tillage and green cover on land to enhance carbon sequestration and increase water retention. Promoted biodiversity by adopting an integrated pest management practice. Adopted use of pheromonal traps and other biological means to reduce use of pesticides. Internally converted organic waste to compost and used to increase soil organic matter and reduce fertilizer use. Dahra Europe expanded the production capacity in Spain by adding a new pellet production line in the Belvis factory. Achieved an unprecedented record of shipping 770,000 metric tons in Dahra history of forage products from Spain, the biggest forage exporter in EU. Our factories have produced at 100% of our capacity, going from 280,000 MT in 2020 to 320,000 MT in 2021, increase of 15%. Development of new products as fescue mixed feed, wheat straw BB, oaten straw. We have obtained laboratories accreditation to ISO 17025. Implementation of transportation management system for logistics to provide door-to-door solutions. Dahra Romania completed gasification of the island and finalization of industrial infrastructure for forage dehydration. Commissioned 2 new forage pressing facilities and started successful operations. Made record production of alfalfa. Saved significant CO2 emission thanks to low tilting and precision farming technology. Dahra Serbia achieved an outstanding 52 million liters of milk production with a total herd size of 14,000 animals as of December 2021. The commissioning was complete for forage factory Kovilovo, Dahra USA. Export sales of 500,000 metric tons despite global supply chain challenges. Expansion in export markets to India, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Expansion of hay sourcing to South American region. Increase of total press capacity to 600,000 metric tons per year with the addition of a new machine. Increase of Hyder farmland to 15,000 acres. Dahra Australia started the key project to transform into relying on green energy with a solar system project to offset diesel generation and provide off-grid supply to the office, workshop, lighting, and accommodation.